Hey friends, in this exciting video, we are going to reveal when your favorite WWE superstars came into the world, where they hail from and how old they are. You might be surprised by some of the ages and origin, so stick around for some fun fact. This video is going to be full of surprises, so let's dive in and begin. Number 1. Gunther. Gunther, real name Walter Hahn, came into the world on August 20, 1987 in Wien, Austria. As of now, he is 37 years old. Number 2. Bronson Reed. Bronson Reed, born Sherman Halley, entered this world on August 25, 1988 in Adelaide, South Australia. At present, Bronson is 36 years old. Number 3. CM Punk. CM Punk, whose real name is Philip Jack Brooks, was born on October 26, 1978 in Chicago, Illinois, United States. As of today, CM Punk is 46 years old. Number 4. Dominic Mysterio. Dominic Mysterio, born Dominic Gutierrez, came into the world on April 5, 1997 in San Diego, California, United States. At present, he is 28 years old. Number 5. Finn Balor. Finn Balor, real name Fergal David, was born on July 25, 1981 in Bray, Ireland. In 2025, he is 43 years old. Number 6. Otis. Otis, whose full name is Nikola Bogojevic, born on December 21, 1991 in Duluth, Minnesota, United States. Otis is currently 33 years old. Number 7. Rey Mysterio. Rey Mysterio, real name Oscar Gutierrez Rubio, was born on December 11, 1974 in Chula Vista, California, United States. At present, he is 50 years old. Number 8. Sami Zayn. Sami Zayn, born Rami Sibai, was brought into this world on July 12, 1984 in Laval, Canada. As of today, Sami Zayn is 40 years old. Number 9. Seth Rollins. Seth Rollins, whose real name is Colbert Daniel Love, entered this world on May 28, 1987 in Davenport, Iowa, United States. As of now, Seth Rollins is 38 years old. Number 10. Roman Reigns. Roman Reigns, born Leati Joseph Hanoi, was brought into this world on May 25, 1985 in Pensacola, Florida, United States. He is currently 39 years old. Number 11. Brock Lesnar. Brock Lesnar, whose full name is Brock Edward Lesnar, was born on July 12, 1977 in Webster, South Dakota, United States. At present, he is 47 years old. Number 12. The Undertaker. The Undertaker, born Mark William Clave, was born on March 24, 1965 in Houston, Texas, United States. As of today, The Undertaker is 60 years old. Number 13. The Rock. The Rock, real name Dwayne Douglas Johnson, was born on May 2, 1972 in Hayward, California, United States. As of today, The Rock is 52 years old. Number 14. Cody Rhodes. Cody Rhodes, whose real name is Cody Garrett Runnels, entered this world on June 30, 1985 in Charlotte, North Carolina, United States. At present, he is 39 years old. Number 15. Austin Theory. Austin Theory, born Austin White, came into the world on August 2, 1997 in McDonough, Georgia, United States. As of today, Austin Theory is 27 years old. Number 16. Logan Paul. Logan Paul, real name Logan Alexander Paul, was born on April 1, 1995 in Westlake, Ohio, United States. He is 30 years old in 2025. Number 17. Braun Strowman. Braun Strowman, whose real name is Adam Scherr, was brought into this world on September 6, 1983 in Charlottesville, North Carolina, United States. At present, Braun Strowman is 41 years old. Number 18. Drew McIntyre. Drew McIntyre, born Andrew McLean Clove Ivy, entered this world on June 6, 1985 in Ayr, United Kingdom. As of today, Drew McIntyre is 39 years old. Number 19. Braun Breaker. Braun Breaker, real name Bronson Richards Turner, came into the world on October 24, 1997 in Woodstock, Georgia, United States. He is currently 27 years old. Number 20. Damien Priest. Damien Priest, whose full name is Leos Martinez, was born on September 26, 1982 in New York State, United States. As of today, Damien Priest is 42 years old. Number 21. Ilya Dragunov. Ilya Dragunov, born Ilya Rokova, was brought into this world on October 10, 1993 in Moscow, Russia. At present, he is 31 years old. Number 22. Randy Orton. Randy Orton, whose real name is Randall Cat Orton, was born on April 1, 1980 in Knoxville, Tennessee, United States. As of today, Randy Orton is 45 years old. Number 23. Jody McDonough. Jody McDonough, born Jordan Devlin, entered this world on March 15, 1990 in Bray, Ireland. As of today, Jody McDonough is 35 years old. Number 24. The Miz. The Miz, real name Michael Gregory Mizanin, was born on October 8, 1980 in Parma, Ohio, United States. At present, he is 44 years old. Number 25. Petune, whose full name is Peter Thomas England, was born on November 9, 1993 in Birmingham, United Kingdom. He is currently 31 years old. Number 26. Kevin Owens. Kevin Owens' real name Kevin Yannick Steen came into the world on May 7, 1984 in Saint Jean, Rochelle, Canada. As of today, Kevin Owens is 40 years old. Number 27. Jacob Fatu. Jacob Fatu was born on April 18, 1992 in Sacramento, California, United States. He is 32 years old at present. Number 28. Alan Knight. Alan Knight, born Sean Ricker, was brought into this world on November 1, 1982 in Hagerstown, Maryland, United States. As of today, Alan Knight is 42 years old. Number 29. Montez Ford. Montez Ford, real name Kenneth Crawford, entered this world on May 31, 1990 in Chicago, Illinois, United States. He is 34 years old in 2025. Number 30. Shinsuke Nakamura. Shinsuke Nakamura, born Shinsuke Nakamura, came into the world on February 24, 1980 in Kyoto, Kyoto, Japan. As of today, Shinsuke Nakamura is 45 years old. Number 34. Shawn Michaels. Shawn Michaels, whose real name is Michael Shawn Hickenbottom, was born on July 22, 1965 in Chandler, Arizona, United States. As of today, Shawn Michaels is 59 years old. Number 32. Tommaso Ciampa. Tommaso Ciampa, real name Tommaso Whitney, was born on May 8, 1985 in Boston, Massachusetts, United States. At present, he is 39 years old. Number 33. John Cena. John Cena, born John Felix Anthony Cena Jr., was born on April 23, 1977 in West Newbury, Massachusetts, United States. As of today, John Cena is 47 years old. Number 34. Kofi Kingston. Kofi Kingston, whose full name is Kofi Nahachi Sarkodie Mensah, entered this world on August 14, 1981 in Kumasi, Ghana. As of now, Kofi Kingston is 43 years old. Number 35. Michael Cole. Michael Cole, real name Sean Michael Coulthard, was born on December 8, 1968 in Syracuse, New York, United States. As of today, Michael Cole is 56 years old. Thanks for watching, friends. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Wrestle Series Comparison for more awesome content. Stay tuned for more surprises and interesting comparison of your favorite WWE superstars. See you next time.